scream can be heard on the other side of the street.
On the other side? Oh, this is bad. They can hear it.
Who exactly?
I made a bet with the guys from the house across the street that I can shrink the school by.
What? Well, did they believe you?
Maybe. I showed them our mini oven.
So, spit it out.
So I told them about the giant Kinder. Now for some reason they think it was me who shrunk the oven and enlarged the Kinder.
Or rather, you told them yourself.
Well, yes. Help me, Sue. I need to show them the mini bus.
Okay, Sammy, I'll help you. But you should tell them the truth.
I agree with you. Just help me. Hi, guys. Today we'll show you how to shrink. I need to make a school bus from cardboard.
That's better, Sammy. No cheating. We already drew up the parts for our future bus. And now… that's weird. Why isn't it working? All the parts should be cut out. Why can't I do it? I guess I know who's responsible for this.
I know nothing. Susan, no touching.
Don't panic, Sammy. I'll just cut them out.
Guys, be careful on this stage with sharp tools. Sue is a master here. Let's give her lots of hearts.
You're such a toady, Sammy. All right, you're pardoned. Check out what we've got. Cool, right?
Let that color swatch craft.
While Sam's busy painting, subscribe to our channel to stay in touch with us.
Well, what do you think? Does it look like a school bus?
Oh, yes. I have this feeling like I've got to get ready for school.
Dear school, great days. I see you like school.
I think I know the answers we're going to get.
Why? I think that school is fine. Although, I've never been there.
We're missing the doors. Let's fix it. First, make a window using transparent plastic. And then cover it with another cardboard piece on top.
How do we make them fold? I mean, whoosh whoosh and they open.
Some small hinges will help us. We need to wait until the glue sets.
Well, is it done?
I think it's great. Come on, let's check out what it will look like. How do you like it, guys? Looks very real, right? Hop.
I don't know about everyone else, but Sam approves.
On the other side of the bus, we'll make a luggage compartment. Sammy, could you repeat all the assembly steps on this side?
Give me a couple of seconds and you'll see. Done!
Awesome! Guys, follow us. There's lots of interesting ahead.
Look out!
Oh, that was fast, Sammy.
Sure. I want to show the guys our bus ASAP so they don't think I'm hiding from them.
1/3 of our work is done. We are moving with good speed. Our bus will have 2 types of wheels. Let's assemble the parts in the right sequence.
I'm gonna watch closely and won't even blink. Actually, I never blink.
The first wheel is ready. The other type of wheel is a little different. We need 2 kinds of circles which we'll stack like this. It's very easy. We glued them, painted, and made a hole in the center of each wheel using the drill. Ask an adult to help you with that.
Well, everything's ready, Susan. We can assemble the wheels.
Great! Let's start with the rear wheel. Thread the stick into the straw and put the bearing. It will make the bus move. If you watched our videos, you should know what helps the mechanism work.
They are rolling fast anyways.
2 wheels are better than 1, right?
Oh, our favorite science magic.
And here's the spot for ya. Above there's another hole for another switch. Why do we need 2? What's your guess?
Wheels aren't the only thing that's important. There's no bus without headlights.
Correct, Sammy. Let's connect the wires with the switches.
All right, where's the fire, Sue? I barely managed to attach the motor. I did my best. Is it gonna work? What do you think?
Sam is challenging you guys. There's another important step left. Let's use braze and the soldering iron to fix the wires. Guys, be very careful and ask an adult to help you at this stage.
This should have been a challenge, Susan. They would guess it themselves. By the way, you didn't come…
Oh, careful, Sammy! We need to do something about these long wires. I guess I have an idea. Hurry up and bring me the plastic clamp.
Holy cannoli, are we having a surgery here?
Not a medical one, but still important. We need it so the wires don't get tangled.
Shiver me cheddar, Sue. Soon you will beat me in the assembly speed.
And now let's make our toy bus look more realistic. Guys, give a thumbs up if you want to see more crafts like this. More glue. Be careful, it's very hot. It's time to fix the bumper. And here we'll place the bright headlights of our bus. Come on, squeeze in here. Up.
Looks cute, Sue, but there's one little problem.
Which problem? I don't see any.
Where will our passengers sit?
Oh, Sammy, don't get ahead of the bus. It's under control.
See? I told you, things are under control.
Why don't you think of some comfortable seats for our passengers in the meantime?
You don't have to ask. I'll be right back.
The places for passengers will be set on little platforms. I'm sure the view is way better from here. Our bus is almost ready. Shall we get to the final stage? I'm so excited to see what Sam made. And you guys?
So, what do you say?
They're so tiny, but they do look comfortable.
Let's not wait and show the seat layout right away.
Da-da-da-da-da-da! Voila! The passengers will be happy.
Susan, since it's not a sightseeing bus, let's make a roof.
We won't leave them without a solid roof. Here, we'll set the big windshield.
The passengers will like it for sure. It looks so perfect. I guess something's missing here.
You're right. We still need 2 ventilation devices. There. And one more element on the roof. Also, we need exhaust pipes. We can't do without them for sure. And the second one. Good. Don't forget about the rear view mirrors as well. 'Cause we almost did. Let's attach right here. Such nice horns we've got.
Sue, I also prepared these cool thingies.
Awesome! This is gonna be the last touch.
Now we can show the bus. In the end, I sure umped it. Hail the great Tibidaba!
Maybe hail to the great thing called perspective.
It's time to take the seats.
Let's close the door. And turn the lights on.
Sue, start the engine. We forgot the brake! Wait!
Oh, wow! So, did you give our bus to your friends?
Yep, they were amazed.
Guys, did you like our new craft? We'll be happy to get your thumbs up.
By the way, Sue, it's time for another craft. Guys like the bus so much that they asked to realize a couple more ideas.
A couple more? Sam, what are these, dancing bananas?
I guess I have to hide. Bye, guys.